We're going to be joining a new airdrop today. It's called CESS Network. There's a bit of details which I'll get into in a bit about it, so just stay tuned for how you can participate in this airdrop and the task, because it's already confirmed that they are going to have an airdrop by the team. Quick update from PocketFi. Not much to expect from this project with the way they have been operating recently, but we can at least try to get as much as we can before maybe they don't do as expected or something else happens. So what are they saying? Let's scroll down and see their latest announcement. It says Operation 50/50. One last chance to all botters, farmers and exploiters. We're offering you a deal, a real one. You type /surrender, copy and paste the command in the PocketFi bot, follow the instructions, check the rules, you accept the terms, and we let you keep 50% of your switch. That is what you mind. That 50% to be automatically staked for 3 months at 26% APR, no ban, no full burn, tactical mercy. Accounts involved in suspicious activity that don't surrender will be burned permanently. You have time until the second wave of bans. Surrender now on the best possible terms. So what does this surrendering mean? If you don't do your turn verification to prove that you are human, then they're giving a final chance. What do you have to do? Just accept that you are not going to receive 50% of your rewards, and then stick the other 50 that they are promising you for 3 months. We don't know where they're staking it. They've given us this compromise. You keep it where we don't know for now. We are not seeing it in the app, but maybe we'll get it in the future where it is. But for 3 months you won't be having your tokens, but you just know it's staked, and we're going to wait. It's going to be staked and it's going to earn, because it's as an APR. They are not just keeping it there and holding it. It's going to be staked, and then after we'll probably be able to withdraw it. That is what they're trying to do. That is the whole framework that they're trying to build here. So if you want to do it or not, that's up to you. But here is the process for those of you who want to do it. But if you've done the verification, then I don't think that you're required to do this surrendering or compromising to get your tokens. You can just get your full tokens, and you don't really need to follow the process. Instead, just click on the bot itself. You're going to see this interface. So this is basically where they send some news on the PocketFi bot app. First of all, type /surrender. So if you type it, you put it in, click enter, and then you wait for it to load. What it shows you is this: confirm participation in 50/50. Are you sure you want to activate 50/50 protocol? 50% of your switch will be preserved and automatically staked for 3 months, and existing deposits will be reset. You're choosing a compromise and keeping 50% of your balance. Click confirm if you're ready, or cancel if you're not ready yet. So there's a flaw here, and that is the fact that we don't know where they're staking it. But if you want to do it, then you go ahead, click on confirm button. Confirm again is the same thing all over again. But you'll also see got error while surrendering, but you didn't really get an error. How do you confirm that? Click on this /surrender that you typed before. Once you click on it, it will show you that you have already surrendered. 50% of your switch has been preserved and automatically staked for 3 months. You chose compromise and received a second chance. Where they're staking it, as I've mentioned, has not been said. It's not in the app, that's for sure, but we have to wait for the next 3 months and see. That's if you want to participate, but if not, then feel free to just forfeit. That's your choice, and it's not really a bad choice considering the way they've been playing around with what to do and what not to do. If you want to get at least a bit of a reward, then just feel free to do it. It doesn't really cost a lot, unless they ask us to now claim it with fees later on. But let's just try and see how this works. Let's now talk about the new airdrop. We're going to be joining the CESS Network airdrop. This airdrop, it's recent. It was announced around a month ago, and it has been confirmed that they are going to do their airdrop. They're going to be given airdrop rewards for participating in the task, completing tasks. So what are they all about? It says here, CESS Network, the first layer 1 for infinite data storage and millisecond execution, powering DeSci plus AI plus deepen innovation, and their token CESS is coming soon. Right now they have around 428k followers, but that's not really important. They have a post right here around the 3rd of March which gives their airdrop alert, which means they are actually going to be giving airdrop rewards. It says the future of decentralized storage is here and we're giving you a piece of it. Earn free CESS by joining our exclusive airdrop and securing your spot in the next gen Web3 storage revolution. So what you need to do is to start by clicking the link, and then you have to complete a few tasks. They have some notable investors. If you go to their website, you can check this out. Some partners. These are their partners: Intel, Polkadot, AWS Partner Network, Web3 Foundation. All of these right here are their partners, and they even have their roadmap over here. They were formed in 2019, so that's when their team was formed. They plan to launch the mainnet in 2025, so they're going to be launching their CESS mainnet this year. With the launch of their other services like decentralized cloud sharing, etc., we're going to see how that works out. They haven't really mentioned when they're going to list their token out. Literally, maybe it will be this year along with the launch of the mainnet version 1. Open the browser you want to use for the CESS D-Share airdrop. So it says here, endpoint unlock CESS rewards. Now to get here, you need to just go to the description box, copy the referral link, or go to our Telegram, WhatsApp, and then copy the referral link. So whichever you want to use. Once you do that, you paste it in your browser, and then you'd see this page in front of you. The first thing you need to do is to click copy link besides invite friends. Once you click that, it will ask you to log in. And now you need to log in with either your X or your email. And tick I have read and accept the CESS user agreement. I use Twitter, so I just have to authorize the app to connect my Twitter account. After connecting that, you'll see that the invite friends has gone down a bit. Now you can see all the tasks you need to complete. First of all, we can do the daily check-in. Do it every day. And the more you do, the more you earn points. The next one you can do is to follow X. So you can click on follow their X account. Click followed and get points to earn your points. The next thing you do is to click on retweet. If you click on it to tell you to repost it, you just pop it up, click repost, go back. Click forwarded and get points, and you would get 20 points. Even if it shows you error, but it shows success. That's great. We've done 3 tasks. The retweet is every day, so you come back every day just like you're doing daily check-in. The next ones are quite simple: join Telegram and join Discord. You can do that on your own the same way you followed X. You just have to join it. If you have a TikTok account, you can also follow it, but you are going to need to bind your TikTok account before you do that. Let's do the change profile task. Click on change. Where is your profile? This is your profile right here. So click on change profile by D-Share. And you can select any media of your choice as long as it is below 2 megabytes, and choose that as your profile picture. After selecting it, go back to your task. Scroll down. It has not changed yet. You have to refresh after. It has shown success. Now it is ticked and you've earned the 20 points. The final task we're completing is quiz challenge. What is CESS? So 100 points, answer all correctly. So you click on start. And you only have 1 chance. That means you can't fail any of these questions. The answers for the quiz, you can go to our Telegram and WhatsApp and get the Q&A over there. Ensure that when you're answering the questions that you look at the question and then you put in the answer. It does not come out the same way each and every time. There are going to be more quiz challenges. There was one previously before. I'll keep you updated when there is any. That's all for this video. That's a wrap for this video. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified. If you want to join our Telegram or WhatsApp, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.